this is J Diva here. I've finally gotten around to putting together a video for all my divas out there who've been asking me, how do you put on your eye makeup? How do you put on your eyeliner? What companies do you use? Well, the time has come for me to reveal my secrets. All right, so I'm gonna pretty much tell you about 5 top companies that I use that, I find are the best quality companies out there. My number 5 company is not, they're good if you're on a budget. Okay, so let me start with my list and you can decide for yourself what you think will work for you. So NYX. NYX is great. They have a great variety of colors. The only problem is their makeup is hard. Their eye palettes, when I want to go and get a color, I have to dig it out literally with my Q-tip or my brush. The brush doesn't get enough color, so I find that they're hard as a rock. I don't know why, but that's the only downfall for NYX eye color palettes that I have found. All right, so my number 4, MAC. All right, hold on. I already know my MAC lovers are gonna hate me and say, why the hell did she put MAC for her number 4? Well, I'm gonna tell you. MAC is great, but it's just, I find that it doesn't last me the full day. I work 12-hour shifts sometimes and my makeup is fading. I don't find that it's as vibrant as some of my top companies, but they still do have great quality makeup. So I would never knock MAC. MAC is great. This particular one is like a loose powder and it's been good. It's good. It does the job. So MAC is my number 4. All right, number 3. I recently started using the Fenty beauty line. Great colors, great palette. This is the limited edition. I find that the colors go on very nicely. I think that also it's another company where my makeup fades after 12 hours. This is another palette that I've gotten, but the colors are great and they still have great quality makeup lines. So Fenty is my number 3. All right, number 2. I don't know if you all have heard of PIERRE, but this is a mineral-based makeup company, and for all you vegan lovers out there or people who don't want to use products with animal-based testing, this mineral-based company is great. So I find it's very good to use this on my eyes because I feel like not a lot of toxins are seeping into my eyes. And this literally has lasted me for 10 years. Yes, 10 years. It doesn't spoil because of the mineral base. And I didn't believe it when I first bought it. I was walking through the mall and somebody sold it to me. And now I've been a lover of this company. You can go on Amazon, you can buy it. PIERRE is my number 2. All right, number 1. NARS. NARS is also a recently new company I use, but their colors, they look plain. They look like, okay, regular makeup company. But when you put these on your eyes, I am telling you, ladies, they will pop. This lasts me for more than 12 hours in the day, and that's why they're my number 1. NARS is great. When you're picking a color for your eyes, you want to make sure that it's something that's going to last you, that's not going to make your eyes, sometimes my eyes actually get sore, or I feel like when the makeup is seeping in my eyes, it affects me, especially when I work. So these top 2, NARS and PIERRE, have been the best that I've been able to work through my full 12 hours without any problems. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. I am going to put on my eyeliner for you to show you how I do it. And hopefully this helps you when you're applying. So everybody has different eye shapes. I understand my eye shape is very oval, so it's easy for me to put on an eyeliner. If you don't have such a large eyelid section, it may be a little more difficult, but with practice, I'm telling you, you can do it. It'll look great on you. All right, so I use a liquid eyeliner. I use Lise. I've used many companies over the years. I always come back to them because there's a few things I love about this particular eyeliner. Number 1, the brush. The brush helps me to define my eyes the way I want and to literally shape it the way I want it to look. I like the cat eye look. And so this is why I love Lise. So let's try it. I'm going to show you how I do it. The few things that you need is some water, 2 Q-tips, and your makeup. All right, so, okay. So I'm going to start with my eyeliner. So first thing I do is I pull my eye down and I start from the inner portion right near where my eyelash starts. Okay. And I usually will hit the bottom of my eyelashes. I don't like my eyeliner thick. Some people love that, but I'm not a thick girl. I'm a kind of a thin girl when it comes to makeup. All right, so do you see how I'm kind of brushing it at the end? That's why I like the brush, because you can kind of let it flow with your hand. Just kind of let the brush do the work, okay? Hold your hand steady and it will come out perfect. Not bad. It's a little long, but I'll fix that. Okay. Now, because I'm a bit of a perfectionist, this does sometimes take me about 3 or 4 applications, but if you're not as bad as I am, you'll probably finish this faster than me. Okay, so that's the right. Now let me do the left. The same way, inner portion. Try to get on the base of the eyelashes so it doesn't go too thick. Now if you like the thick look, then you can add a few more extra layers on top. But as you can see how I kind of just brush and paint it up. Just let it swoop. Oh, running out of juice. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. All right. So this is the very reason why I use my Q-tip and water here. I'm seeing a little bit of, I don't like that. So that's pretty much it. It doesn't take very long in the morning for you to actually apply your eyeliner, especially if you have the liquid one. And because I make so many mistakes, it comes off easily. I find some of the other eyeliners will stick. Literally will stick. If you try to take it off, you got to put makeup remover on, and then you got to go back and kind of reapply it. So that's the eyeliner application. It's pretty much it. I'm just gonna show you. It's not perfect. I would spend a little more time, but I don't want to bore you. And just so you can see why I love NARS, I'm gonna put on an eye shadow. And look at the color. Come on, girls. You cannot deny how that color just pops. Like, it's amazing. All right. Literally it. And you can tweak it up. I won't go into full detail of how to put on all the eyeliner. And I mean, there's different, highlighting that you can do. But I wanted to give you an idea of how to put on the eyeliner with Lise liquid liner specifically. And pencil, some people use pencil. They find that works for them. I personally do not like pencil. It's too thick for me. And so that's the reason why I use this. And it lasts me all day. So as you can see, this end is a little longer. I would normally fix that probably. But that's pretty much it. So if you like what you saw, click below, subscribe so you can see my other videos. I have part 2 and part 3 coming. Part 2 is for concealers and foundations that I use. And number 3 tutorial will be on lips. Okay, so I can look forward to seeing you in my next tutorial. If you have any comments, anything you'd like me to do or to show you, place it in the comments below. Take care. Bye.